Kernel OLM Viewer tool helps you to open OLM files in a Windows environment without using MS Outlook application. You can open multiple OLM files, and the Viewer application will showcase entire mailboxes, including emails, contacts, notes, calendars, and even deleted files. Additionally, you can access corrupted or damaged files on your system. Let's see the step-by-step process of accessing OLM files with the help of this tool. Type Windows + Q and type Kernel OLM Viewer in the search box. Once the tool opens, the wizard pops up to browse the OLM files. Tap on Browse option and select your OLM file from the saving location where you must put them. Click on Next when you select the files. A window will pop up indicating process information to proceed to finish. The tool will start the process and get access to all files. When the process is done, you can view files and folders in the left panel. Tap on any folder to view email content, and it will show in the preview section. This tool maintains the email in its original hierarchical form. You can see your email's preview with its complete body, including content, images, links, tables, and other parts. Although you cannot save the OLM file, there are some insightful reports that you must check, and gain insights related to the mailbox. In the File Analysis Reports section, you can choose a category and select the folders from the mailbox. Then, click the Analyze button and it will prepare the report and show you a prompt message that it has completed the scanning. Click OK and there will be a graphical report available to you. To get detailed information related to the Kernel OLM Viewer, you must visit the tool's website and check out its further benefits. Have a great day.